Hi, I'm going to show you how to leave a comment in a single cell for our Q4 attendance. There's two different ways on a Dell, which I'll go over. So this is a Dell computer. First, I'm going to right-click, scroll down to comment. I'm going to select that. I'm just going to put my last name. So if you come to this cell again, you're going to see that I'm the one that entered that attendance. If you are wanting to add your own, you can do that same thing here, and you can add another comment. So let's say Miss Jones wants to add a comment. She can do that same process and add a comment. Also, I mentioned that there's a control option, so let's just move over here. I've gone to the attendance, and I'm going to do a Control Alt M as in Mary. And I'm going to put my name in here again. And I'm going to click on comment. One suggestion, please, if you are coming in to add your comment as well, please don't resolve mine. The purpose of this is to see who all has been in contact with this student, so please don't resolve any comments at this time. Thank you. I hope this helped.